All right, so I'm gonna revisit the chest of drawers that I made, and I wasn't real happy with the door pulls that I had. They were just a little cheap, round metal door pulls, and I wanted some contrast. So I got some cherry, and I'm gonna make my own door pulls. And here I'm just lining it up on the router using a cove bit. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a couple passes, and then with each pass I'll move it further away from the fence, and then I'll move it back, raise the bit up, and then go over it again. And I do that about 3 times. Alright, now the camera's about to pan in, and as you can see, the little channel that it makes. And I wasn't real happy with the depth, so I went ahead and I'm going to go back through it again, make it a little deeper. I'm going to switch out the cove bit now and replace it with a roundover bit, and just basically I'm going to break these edges and just make it a little bit softer to the touch, I guess you could say. Here at my miter saw, I'm going to cut these longer boards down into the separate handles, the drawer pulls, and I'm just going to cut a just a little chamfer on the ends, more or less just for decoration more than anything. That was at a 25-degree angle. And I'm using the one that I previously cut to measure off for the next cut. And there you can see the profile of the drawer pull. Camera was a little out of focus. And I will get those sanded down as well, get the burn marks out. And now brought it back over to the roundover bit on the router table, and I'm just rounding over those edges that I just cut. And just doing little small passes, real light, because that's end grain and it would chip out really easy if I just tried to just jab it in there. And I didn't get no sanding on camera, but as you can see, sanded it down, got the burn marks out to where I wanted them to be. You know, I did want them to look somewhat rustic, I guess you could say. And I'm using some clear Danish oil. There again, you can see the profile. So if you like the contrast as much as I like it, please comment down at the bottom and tell me whether you liked it or not. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.